Yeah, shake it, shake it. Hey! Hey! Okay. Ah, bro. Yo, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Emmanuel, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again to the channel. Just before we get right into the video, please do me a favor and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you are a frequent viewer, appreciate you coming back again. And the video we're about to watch today is Electricity by Pheelz featuring Davido. This, as you know, is a clip off of my live stream, which I host every Friday. So definitely be on the lookout for the Friday live streams. But anyway, enjoy this video. Electricity, Pheelz, Davido, my reaction. Let's go. Pheelz and Davido coming up with a collab that has been teased for quite some time with the snippet. But anyway, Pheelz obviously having a freak event of a run with Finesse. And I won't say freak event in the sense that like it's impossible for him to have a hit, but obviously to garner such a monstrous record like that, it was crazy. It was crazy. Crazy way to begin the year, and absolutely exciting. And to see that obviously come with its pressure of following up, and quite rightly, like people would expect you to operate in that same lane again, which is crazy. But he has another record that has been teased and it sounds fantastic. And I've been looking forward to this moment. It's coming out with a video, so they're going full force with it. And Pheelz already has been on this crazy transition into being looked at as an artist. And the more we're getting visuals, the more intentional his rollouts have been, the more of that that branding or that transition is being very well engraved into the masses, that this is not just a producer anymore. Like, this is one of the artists to be having in the conversation for the hardest records this year. And like, this is another record to help make that move possible. So let's hear it. I feel like Oh, that was so electricity. Hey, vibes on a frequency. Hey, till infinity. Listen, this already sounds like a blown record, bro. This intro makes sense. Like, I can already picture DJs. Like, as soon as that whistle came in, now let's run that back. That whistle came in, that build up. Listen, a hit. This is a hit on our hands already. You can tell from the intro. What do we have here? The energy on this record. This is actually taking me back to Adekunle Gold's High, bro. The level of excitement on the first listen is almost on that same energy. It's almost on that same wave. And this has no other, bro, like, has no other choice but to bang. It just has to. And the visuals are nuts too, man. Like, Davido looks clean. Like, him and Pheelz in that pool like setting, bro. How he transitioned and waved into Davido to give that run was absolutely sick. And then there's a dance move to it too, like shake it. Hey, let's listen. Shake it, baby, shake it. I feel your vibration. Hey. Is that a modulation in there? Or what was that? I was out here thinking this was a Pheelz production because I was likening it to High in some sense. But it's actually P Prime on this, which is, again, makes sense, bro. Like, this is what it has every reason to bang, bro. This just has every reason to move. Keep reminding us, man, that he's a producer as well. Like, he's minding us with the producer as well. Like, this is very intentional. I like this. Like, I like shit like this a little bit, man. It's creative. Is branding, obviously. Like, he's making himself stand out from different acts. And if he's gonna be that artist that carries is what is that drum kit? Carrying that drum kit around, like, make it his own thing. I'm here for it, bro. Like, make it a thing. It's a good look. It's a dope ass look. And see how it was timed. And next thing you see is the electricity around it. Effects are crazy on some Harry Potter type shit, bro. That was mad. Hey. Yours concerned. Yeah, hey. come on. Wait, was Davido in a chair or somebody was carrying him? Or what? I think it was in a chair. That's hard. Hey! 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 It's probably a co-producer thing. Like it's probably him and what's it called? And P Prime on this. So it has to make sense because yeah, his hand has to be in there somehow. Still clean though. Mad. TJ Omori. Okay, that makes sense. It's TJ Omori, man, bro. This TJ Omori obviously is what everyone is on that wave of this year, man. I mean, incredible visuals attached to what sounds like another hit record for him. It's already at 1 million views. What? Already at 1 million views, bro. It's gonna bang. It's gonna bang, bro. It has to. It just has to, bro. That was stupid. Shaky, shake, dun, dun, dun. Yeah, that dun, 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 bro. Listen, I'm definitely going to be rotating that one a lot more. Exciting record. Pheelz is definitely getting a good look, and I'm insane. It's insane. It's insane that how the transition has been for him, and obviously he is signed. Obviously the looks are gonna be there. I think he's signed to, who is it? Is it Warner? He's signed to Warner. And I mean, it makes sense how they're rolling out. I was fearful that they might really stick on the what's it called, the finesse train for such a long time. But it's nice to see them transition, at least build up into another record. And this is a good pick of a record to transition into. So shout out to them. So it's P Prime, Reggie Makulayo, which is Pheelz himself, and TMXO. Dirty, bro. Dirty. TMXO. That's my dude. That was crazy. Alright, thank you so much for watching that, guys. Of course, that was my opinion. Let me know what you guys felt about the record in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I've been your boy, Emmanuel, aka palmwinepapi, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.